Hi, welcome to my channel and thank you for visiting. I'm Tasha, your teacher of English in English. So we're done with verbs and now we move on to adverbs. I can't wait to teach writing, but it's important that we finished with the parts of speech because these are the same materials that we will need in writing. Anyway, there are just four more: adverb, conjunctions, prepositions, and interjections. And then we can go into writing. So what is an adverb? An adverb is the word that modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Let's have a look at an adverb modifying a verb. Those squirrels searched endlessly for things to eat. How did they search? They searched endlessly. So, in this sentence, the adverb is endlessly and the verb is searched. Some squirrels have completely white tails. How white are the tails? The adverb is completely. It tells us how white are the tails. They can jump from one tree to another very quickly. In this sentence, an adverb modifies another adverb. Why? Because very is an adverb and quickly is also an adverb. So how quickly do they jump? They jump very quickly. It is easier to remember that adverbs answer the following questions. When? She always arrives early. Always is an adverb. How? She drives carefully. Carefully describes the way he drives. Where? They go everywhere together. Everywhere answers the question where. In what way? For example, she eats slowly. And to what extent? It is terribly hot. Now, adverbs are often formed by adding the letters ly to adjectives. However, this is not always the case. There are exceptions to this rule. Everywhere, nowhere, upstairs are a few examples. Other exceptions are fast, well, hard. Pay attention because these words can be confusing. Let's have a look at the word fast. She walks fast. Fine. How does she walk? She walks fast. Walks is a verb, so fast is an adverb. Now, what about good and well? Remember, good is an adjective, but well is a verb. She's good at English. It's an adjective. But when you say she speaks English well, well is an adverb. Why? Because it modifies the verb speaks. What about hard? Well, the word hard can be an adverb and an adjective depending on how it is used in a sentence. In this sentence, she works hard. Hard here is an adverb because it modifies the verb works. But in this sentence, this sofa is hard. Now, hard is an adjective. Why? Because it modifies the word sofa, which is a noun. And by the way, hardly is an adverb. In this sentence, she hardly travels. hardly modifies the verb travels. And this sentence means that the person does not travel often. Is that clear? And the last thing about adverb here is that it can be used to modify an adjective and intensify the meaning it conveys. For example, my maths teacher is incredibly patient. Patient here is an adjective, but how patient is the teacher? Incredibly, unbelievably patient. This movie is more interesting than the first one. Interesting is an adjective, but how interesting it is. It is more interesting than the first one. Anyway, if you have questions, please write them on the comments below and I'll get back to them in the next videos. And by the way, in the next video, I'm going to enumerate and give examples to the types of adverbs. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.